This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in the last session, we were discussing about introduction to Azure BI. So as a part of this introduction, what is a on-premises system and what is a cloud, and what is a Azure, all those things we have discussed in the last session. And what are all the kind of services available inside the Azure? What are the benefits of the Azure cloud computing instead of on-premises systems? Those are the things we have discussed in the last session. So if you want to start any kind of development in Microsoft Azure cloud environment, you need to create a license. You need to create a subscription. So how to create a subscription over here? What are all the prerequisites to create the subscription? To create the subscription to Microsoft Azure Portal, you need a credit card, not the debit card. Definitely you need a credit card over here. So they don't charge anything. They will charge us 2 rupees, but this 2 rupees they will refund it. Because we are going to create an account, free account. It's a free account. The subscription what we are going to create is a free subscription. To create the free subscription, you require a credit card as well as mail ID. Any kind of mail ID it will support, but I will recommend to use a Microsoft mail ID on Microsoft.com mail ID. So this mail ID we are going to use. But how to create a Microsoft mail ID? Anybody having a credit card as of now in your hand, please let me know. I will give presented to you and I will demonstrate this on your machine how to create a free account. Anybody wants to share your screen to perform this one? Anybody interested? Please let me know. I will give presented to your screen.
Ram, we have created long back, and then after trying to use that, it is saying that. So whenever I'm going to use my email ID, it is saying that so already the particular user ID already exists. Something you can change or mail ID or something. It keeps saying on that.
Okay. So what will happen if you are creating a free subscription? Within 30 days it will expire. So after 30 days, what you need to do? You need to upgrade your account. You need to upgrade your account over here. What are the benefits you are getting within this 30 days of the free trial version? Within these 30 days, so generally there are around 200 services available in Microsoft Azure Portal. There are 200 services available in Azure Portal. Out of these 200 services, for your free subscription, are you going to access all the 200 services with this free subscription? Okay.
No.
So you need some credit points to purchase some of the services. Out of 200, there are 25 plus services. 25 plus services are free for 1 year, and around 50 plus services are free lifelong. There are 25 plus services are free for 1 year. 50 plus services are free lifelong. And what about the remaining services? The remaining services, if you want, you need some amount. To use the other services, you need some amount, even if you are in the free subscription. Then are they going to charge from your credit card within these 30 days? No. Within the first 30 days when you are creating an account, Microsoft is giving 13,500 rupees credit points to you. So if you are purchasing any services apart from these 25 plus or 50 plus services, the other services, if you want to purchase within the 30 days, you can use these 13,500 rupees. Whatever freely they are adding to your account. It's not amount, it's a credit. So if you want to purchase the services apart from this 1 year and lifelong free services, any other service if you want to purchase, 13,500 rupees, whatever they are giving when you are creating the free account, you can use. But this amount you need to use within the 30 days. After 30 days, this amount will be expired. After 30 days, these 13,500 rupees will be expired. So within 30 days, you can utilize these 13,500 rupees. Okay, what after 35 days? After 30 days. After 30 days, they will disable your account. If you want to enable your account, you need to upgrade. Once you are upgrading, they will start the charging of the amount from your credit card when you are purchasing the services apart from this 25 plus 50. Any other services, if you are going to utilize, they will charge from your account after 30 days. So within 30 days, they don't worry about this. Is it clear?
Yeah, hi Ram. This is Venkat joining back now. Hello.
Okay.
Hi Ram. This is Venkat. Today I joined and this is the first session. Can you please repeat this so far whatever you started?
No. So do one thing. You just ping me on the WhatsApp. So
Okay.
I will share the recorded videos. Anything, just follow the session, and after the session, you just call me. I will guide you. Anybody joined? This is the first time.
Ram, could you, sorry Ram, sorry to interrupt. So could you please share our number also in the chat window somewhere? We'll call back you after the call, after the class, sorry. Thanks, Ram.
So I will give you 5 minutes time at the ending of the session. If you have any questions, you can ask at the time. So my contact number is 298852457722. This is my WhatsApp number. You can ping me on the WhatsApp or you can call me. We will talk separately. Okay.
Thanks, Ram.
Yeah. So we need a free account subscription. To create this free subscription, you need a credit card and a mail ID we need to create, and they will give 30 days free trial service. And when you are creating the free subscription, they will give few services 1 year free, few services lifetime free. Apart from these services, out of 200 services, if you want to purchase, you need amount. Within the 30 days, they will give a credit amount 13,500 rupees. Then after 30 days, your account will be disabled. If you want to upgrade, after upgrade, if you are going to purchase any services out of this 25 plus 50, you need, it will be charged from your credit card. It will be charged from your credit card over here. All right. So right. So out of 200 services, apart from this 25 plus 50 services, you need to charge from this your credit card over here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a free account. To create the free account, you need a credit card and you need an email ID. So whoever wants to share your screen, so once you are creating account with your mail ID, once you are creating a account with your email ID, then again if you are going to create the same email ID or the same credit card, it will not work. Once you are using the credit card and email for one account, then you cannot use that credit card or email for another account to create. So definitely you need to upgrade your account, or you can use a new credit card or a new email address over here. Okay, so you need to create a new email address or new credit. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a first email ID. How to create a email address? The email, I don't want to use my company email, or I don't want to use my Gmail or Yahoo mails. I want to use the Microsoft mail ID. So you can create a free mail ID related to Microsoft mail ID. So this having the advantages. If you are creating and using a Microsoft email address, there are some advantages. So everyone should create one free email. So who wants to create a free account on your machine? Anybody is ready to create? I will guide you. You can do on your machine. Who wants to share your screen and keep your credit card along with you? You can create. Anybody interested? No one is ready to create? Okay, so I will demonstrate on my machine, but I cannot do completely 100% because I have created so many accounts till now, and I don't have created information to use it manually. You just follow the steps what I am going to do here. First, how to create a Microsoft mail ID. To create a Microsoft mail ID, simply go to office365.com. Office365. Just click on Office 365. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to create a Office 365 account. When you are going to create the Office 365 account, it will ask a mail ID. So I will create a mail ID, and that mail ID I will use for the Microsoft Azure subscription. So simply go to the products. Under the products, for business, plans and pricing. Click on plans and pricing. So under the plans and pricing, simply come down. See here there is a try free for 1 month. Under the business standard, try free for 1 month. Click on that. Already have a subscription with this mail ID. No, I don't want to use this mail ID. I want to create a new account. Click on new account. Okay, first I will sign off from the account. Yeah, it's sign out. Again, you can go to the office365.com. Products, plans and pricing. For business, try for free 1 month. Wait a moment, I think it's taking the pick an account. Or else I will use another browser, Internet Explorer. Office365.com. Go to the products, for business, plans and pricing. Click on try free for 1 month. Create a new account. Because already we have signed in with other accounts, so that is the reason it is taking. Okay, so you just give any email ID over here. Your Gmail or Yahoo mail, any mail you can give. So I'm going to give my mail ID. So simply you can take your Gmail just for verification purpose. Click on next. So you need to set up a account. Okay, click on set up account. So just provide your name. This is e-classes trainings. I'm going to give like this. And business phone number. This is my phone number. Company name e-classes. Your team size 2234 India. Click next. So it will send a verification code to your mobile number. Click on send verification code and enter your verification code over here. That is 797383. Just click on verify this one. Now you need to prepare your mail ID. The domain name of the mail ID is .onmicrosoft.com. So what is your business mail ID? So your business name you can give, nothing but your company name you can give any name. I'm going to give it as a e-classes. You need to verify whether the e-classes is available or not. We don't have e-classes. What I'm going to do, e-classes Azure. So I will give e-classes Azure. Check the availability. That also is not available. So e-classes Azure 123. Oh my god, that also not available. Okay, I'm going to give it as a e-classes TRAN train e-classes Azure. Yeah, it's available. So the mail ID will come like this. For example, ram@ train e-classes Azure 123.onmicrosoft.com. Click next. So whatever the name you are going to give in the starting, that will your email name, and the domain is your company name .onmicrosoft.com. I'm going to give this name any name. I will give it as a Ram Boyapati. Ram Boyapati @ train e-classes Azure 123.com and set some password. I'm going to set some password over here. Just click on sign up. So it's creating account, email ID. Alright, so mail ID is created. What is the mail ID? Ram Boyapati @ training e-classes Azure 123.onmicrosoft.com. So this mail ID you need to save to create the Azure account over here. So this is the mail ID I have created. So now what we need to do, we have to create a free subscription over here. To create a free subscription, simply you can go to the Azure Portal. Okay, so you can go to azure.com. See here in the top we see a free account or start free. You can click anywhere to create a free subscription. So click on start free. So either you want to create a start free account or buy now. I want to create a start free. So before we are going to create a start free, I want to show you what are all the benefits you are getting with the free account. With the free account, with your Azure free account, you get all these services free. You won't be charged until you choose a upgrade. Okay, until annually you are going to upgrade your account, they don't charge anything. You don't need to worry about when you are giving your credit card information. So what are the benefits they are going to give is 12 months some services are free. Some popular services they are going to give for 12 months. And 25 plus services they are giving always free, means lifelong. And initially they are going to give 30 days 200 credit dollars, means 13,000 rupees. So whatever the 12 months free some popular services, whatever the 25 plus services we have, all those things, apart from those services, if you are going to use any services, you can use this 200 credit points within the 30 days. So what I'm going to do, I will show you 12 months what are all the services free. Come to the bottom. These are all the services free for 12 months. See the services, click on the see services. Yeah, which products are free for 12 months? These are all the services free for 12 months, like file storage, SQL database service, blob storage. These are we are using. So 12 months they are giving free. And then after, what are the lifelong free? Which products are always free? You can see that list of the products, whatever they are giving, always free for you. These are all the services. Okay. If you have any questions about the subscription related, you can see the questions here. Do I pay anything to start with Azure free account? No, nothing to pay. Starting is free. Plus, you will get 200 credit points over here. And those 200 credit points you need to spend within the 30 days. Within 30 days, you need to spend those 200 credit points. What happens at the end of the 12 months of the free products, and what happens once I use my 200 free credit points within 30 days? What do I need to sign up for the free account? Everything you can read over here. If you have any questions, we don't require all those things. Now I'm going to create a free account. Click on start free. Okay, so just provide some basic information over here. What is the country? What is the first name, last name, the email address? The email address here, which email address you need to give? Please enter an email address that you have access to. This is where you will receive important services notification alerts. Here you can give your Microsoft mail ID, whatever you have. Sorry, you can give Gmail also. The mail address what you are going to give here, it is Gmail address you can give. This is just for billing informations and updates you will get to this mail communication. And this is the phone number, and what is your organization e-classes. PAN card is optional. If you want, you can give. If you don't want, you don't need. Okay. See here in the what's included. 12 months free products, 13,300 credit points, 25 plus services always free, no automatic charges, no automatic upgradation. Okay, then click next. This is your personal information you have given, and then after they will send a OTP for your mobile. You need to enter. Even when you are going to upgrade also, they will send a OTP for you. That OTP you need to enter. So the OTP 535146. Just verify this code. All right. So you have entered your profile information. You have verified by phone, and you are going to identify the verification by credit card. Here you need to provide your credit card name, the name on the credit card number, expiry date, CVV, address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, city, state, postal code as per your credit card information. And of course you can give any city, state, your address. Then click next. Then final agreement is just terms and conditions you need to accept. But I don't have information to provide this credit card information. You follow when you are going to create by giving the credit card information. So this is how we are going to create a free subscription. Any question over here on this subscription to create? First, create an email address. Automatically by using that email address, you are signed into the Azure.com. Automatically it will take when you are creating on the same browser. The password I have set at the time of creating this email address. So going forward, if you want to log into Azure Portal, you need to use this email address. So how to log into the Azure Portal after creating the free account over here? To log into Azure Portal, so simply you can go to the Azure.com. Under the Azure.com, see there is a portal available. What do you mean by portal? Inside this portal, you can able to see all the services what available inside the Azure. And if you want to purchase, you can purchase the services over here. You can purchase the services over here. So when you are clicking on this portal, it will ask to sign into your account. Which mail ID you want to use? So you just simply enter that mail ID. So whatever the mail ID you just created, right? But unfortunately that mail ID, whatever I have created, I haven't finished that subscription. But I have another one I was using last time to sign in. So I'm going to use that one to log into the azureportal.com. Just click on this azureportal.com and provide the password. Sign in. Yes. So this is how you are signing. I want to compare this Microsoft Azure portal with Amazon. So we are doing a shopping on Amazon, right? Amazon.com or Flipkart.com. These are the shopping portals. So you are also going to shopping some software related services selling by Microsoft. So you are logged into portal.azure.com. Here you are logged into www.amazon.com. Inside the Amazon.com, you can see there are different kind of categories information. What are all the products they are selling? They are specifying over here. Similarly, in your Azure account also, in the top menu, you can see there are so many services available. If you want to see all the services what they are selling, click on all services. So these are all the services they are categorized. like some general related, some compute related, networking, storage related services, web related, mobile related, containers, databases. So how they are categorizing here? They are categorizing here Amazon Music, Echo Alexa, Fire Tables, Fire TV, Subscribe, Save, Smart Home. Similarly, Microsoft Azure also they are dividing and categories some of the services. If you want anything related to database related services, click on the database. Anything related to analytics, you can click on the analytics. So under the analytics services, these are all the different kind of data factories, data breaks, and SQL, W, and data lake analytics, analysis services. These are all the data lake generation ones. These are all the things we are going to discuss in this training. Okay. And coming to the storage point of view, we have a storage accounts, and these are all the services available. So whichever the service you want, you can purchase and you can create it. Okay. All right. So here also we are whatever the products you require, you are going to sell. I mean, you are going to purchase the product. Before that, you are creating account over here, and the same account I'm using. How you are using the account to log into this Amazon.com to purchase the products. Similarly, I'm also using over here. All right. Okay. So we created a subscription. The subscription, whatever you created, if you want to upgrade that at any moment, you can see there is in the top upgrade. And if you want to sign out from this account, in the right side corner, you can see. If you want to see about your account, you can see. If you want to sign out, sign in with a different account, you can click over it. I want to understand about the subscription, whatever I created till now, how much amount I have used, and I want to see the billing information, how much cost I spent for each service. Then in the top search button, any service if you want, you can search over here. How you are searching inside the Amazon.in, if you want any service, sorry. This is, let's for example, I need laptops. So you are going to search for the laptops like this. So similarly, whatever the service you want, you can go over here. For example, I need a data factories. So this is how whatever data factory related will come. But I want to understand about my subscription. So simply click on the subscriptions. Click on subscription. See here, this is the subscription, and the subscription is a free trial subscription. We have a subscription ID, and till how much amount we have used, you can see here 343 rupees I have used. And you can click on the subscription, it will give you more insights about the billing cost you are using by each service wise. It is giving the information. See how much amounts you are using by each service wise, then you can understand about your services. So any questions so far? Any questions on this? My free account will be within 23 days. So it's 7 days back we created this account. Within 23 days it is going to upgrade. If you want to cancel the subscription at any moment, you can cancel. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade from here also. Okay. And cost analysis, you can see for your each resource wise the cost analysis for this one you can observe over here. So from tomorrow onwards, what I'm going to discuss, we will start our services, whatever we have in our course, as per our course content, we are going to see over here. We are going to discuss first, we are going to start with the storage accounts and what is a resource group, how to create a resource group manager, all those things I will start from tomorrow. We'll go one by one service, Azure storage account, SQL databases, data warehousing, data factory, and analysis services, data lake, and database. So these are all the things we are going to discuss in this time. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the actual once everyone is creating the accounts. Okay, I'm going to give one suggestion for you guys. Don't create all of you at a time the accounts. If you are creating all of you at a time the account, what will happen? Accounts will be expired within 30 days. Correct? So instead of that, better one person can create and others can use the same account. Then after 1 month again another person can create. Okay, that's a better way, because you don't have more than 1 or 2 credit cards. So first create one person, we will use all that account, and once it is expired other people can create, then it will use. So I'm going to create a WhatsApp group today. So what I'm expecting from you, can you guys ping me on the WhatsApp, everyone whoever joining in this line, then I will add you to that group. Then you will get communication and material or everything, anything to that one only. So this is my WhatsApp number. Just share and WhatsApp, ping me on the WhatsApp. Then I will create a group. Those people only will get all the access. I mean, will get all the updates. So after this session, so please try to ping me on the WhatsApp. Whoever interested about this Azure course and whoever wants to continue from tomorrow. Anybody wants to continue and interested, and if you have any questions, please call me and I will share the meeting link for tomorrow, only those people. Okay, any questions on this? Any other questions? Let's meet on tomorrow session, and please ping me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you guys if you don't have any questions.